So, today's video is going to be on how Polaris and Arctic Cat suck. So, we're not haters here. We just like our skidoo and maybe Yamaha. Right here we got an MXZX 600. We usually just zip tie our throttle pinned to the bars always. She's only got 7,773 miles, which is just breaking it in for these sleds. This Arctic Cat over here, the original owner ran Arctic Blue. This stuff is crap. So it blew up. We rebuilt it. We started to run that stuff in. We tried to hit full throttle one time, just once, people, and the freaking thing locked. She seized. We run, these are BR69S's in our sleds. This is a Formula SS 670. It's pretty rare. These things I've heard about run for, I don't know, 30,000 miles. Not even rebuilt yet. It's got 9,222 miles. I've only filled up the oil about 4 times since I've bought this thing. Brand new. Back in '69. We got zip ties on my windshield just because I want to. Helps with the air deflection rate. I don't know. Carbides, no need for those. We just run straight skis. Same with this sled. I mean, my buddy has 4 different Polarises and every single one's blown up on him. And I mean, look at these two. Never rebuilt in their life, and 30,000 miles gonna run to, I guarantee you. Arctic Cat likes to run plastic skis because they're crap. We like the metal ones just because they're a lot more durable when we're sending them off some 100-foot jumps. 2 cold starts on MXZ. Full choke. 2 slow pulls. MVRP can. All right, now on the primer side. 2 primes. So yeah, we're gonna get some rind clips. Nothing major. We're just gonna take her easy. She's pretty cold out, and that makes your sled run lean, which is the opposite of rich. So don't want that, you know.